In this module, we will look at basic principles of land law, which are real and personal property, estates, and interests in land. English law classifies property as either real or personal. Real property consists of an interest in land. Land is defined in the Law of Property Act 1925. For the remainder of this tutorial, I will refer to the Law of Property Act 1925 as the LPA. The LPA defines land as including land of any tenure, and mines and minerals, buildings, and other corporeal hereditaments, and a rent, and other incorporeal hereditaments, and an easement, right, privilege, or benefit in, over, or derived from land. Property therefore includes both the physical land itself as well as the invisible rights on it. Personal property is everything else. Ownership in land is based on the LPA 1925 and case law, and is generally accepted to include the following: the physical surface area of the land, the lower airspace above the land to such height as is necessary for the ordinary use and enjoyment of the land and the structures on it. Above that height, the landowner has no claim in respect to the land, such as trespass or nuisance, for example, that caused by aircraft. If the invasion is within the lower airspace, landowners will have a prima facie right to bring a claim for damages or to seek an injunction from the court to restrain those who trespass or commit nuisance, as a result of construction work, for example. Land also includes the ground below the surface of the land, including mines, minerals or substances.